Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really to throw you out.
I don't need, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. But honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But when you keep people when nobody knows it. Get the fuck on my face. Just take me on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays in my life.
I brought some stuff from Dollar Tree today because we went out earlier and we just made back like probably 30-45 minutes ago. So we just got some home essentials. Got one cut towel, tissue, and 2 things of soap. Now this right here, this is gonna have your house smelling so good. Promise. Now I'm gonna sweep my floor so that I may mop and on my guys. Okay guys, so girl, I'm not even about to say, I'm just show y'all. Yeah, I took a nap. I took a nap. I pretty much finished everything I wanted to do, honestly. Still got a few things left. Like, I'm gonna get this empty, and I need to sweep and mop my bathroom. And that's it. Like everything else is really shiny, sparkling, clean. Ooh, my makeup got on. I don't have many options, honestly. But I'm gonna wear something comfortable and still cute because I low-key want to take pictures on a dress. This brown dress. I never took a picture in this brown dress. I could put this brown dress on. Let's see how this look on me. I got 2 brown items that I can see how they look on me. Hey guys, so I don't know if I'll say this video is a fail or not, but we had so much fun tonight. We got out the house. I did do all of my deep cleaning that I had to do for today. The only thing that I didn't do was I had some more towels in the dryer, so I didn't get a chance to fold those up. But I mean, yeah. But right now I'm at the gym because if you guys did not know, I am doing a 14-day challenge on the Stairmaster. So yeah, y'all, we had so much fun. I did not vlog, but I have a few clips I could probably put in. Sleepy. Yeah, I even posted some pictures, like pictures. I posted them. Y'all, I gained so much weight. It is not even serious. Like when okay, these don't look bad. I didn't post the ones that looked bad, but when I tell you, baby, I gained some weight. I was just not this big like a week or two, like months ago. Like, look at me on here. And look how wide I looked on the other picture. It's just crazy. Like, look at me. I was still like, I still had a stomach, but like I was way lighter. So I'm fighting for that body back right now because this ain't it. Summer is coming up. Like, I am a beautiful girl though, but I'm finna work hard because my birthday is coming up and I want my body to look so good for my pictures. Like, I want to look good, y'all. Like, I'm gonna turn 20. Like, I don't want to look pregnant. I cannot believe I let myself gain as much weight as I did. But y'all, you live and you learn, and now I'm taking it serious. Like, I've been playing, but yeah, I'm in that mode. So it's 11:20 at night, and I'm finna go my butt in here and do my Stairmaster workout in this gym. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, of course. I think I gotta do 18 minutes. So I started off at 15 minutes, and I've just been trying to go up if I could, like. I did it, y'all. I did it. Oh my God. That was no fun. Literally no fun at all. Oh my God. Remind me to never gain a pound back again. Like, bruh, that's what the heck. Like, why did I do this to myself? Oh my God, like, it's not fun, y'all. It's not cool. It's not a good feeling. It's not. It sucks. It's my fault though. I'm the one that quit working out for 5 months or 4 months, however long it was. I'm the one that stopped. So it's my fault. I gained the weight back myself. It sucks so bad. It sucks so freaking bad. I could just cry, y'all. Like, no freaking lie. I could honestly cry because it's just like,
please fasten driver seat belts.
I'm back home. I washed my face, washed all the makeup out. I'm gonna wash my edges now. If you know, you know. In the last clip, y'all kind of saw me have like a little mental breakdown. But as I'm building this platform, honestly, I want to help other women. So I want to help other women, like, because I know I'm not the only one that feels like that, or I'm not the only one that struggles. So I'm gonna do a video helping other people. I don't know what video, but I'm gonna basically just document, make like a sit down video. I don't know, y'all, like something, and maybe that'll be my next video. I'm not sure. Whatever will come to my mind. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to see. I didn't even wash my edges. I'm not going to. I'm finna put a bunny on and call it a night because I gotta work. I gotta go to work tomorrow. First day. Okay. So hope this video is, I hope this is a good video, honestly. But I'm gonna shower and call it a night. I didn't even do an intro to this video, honestly, y'all. But we're gonna end it tonight. Thank you guys for watching my video. Love you.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really throw you up.